Do you have a mustache?
Zoe, what's... Do you have some eyebrows? Should I let her read?
Yeah.
She has hair. Alright. Zoe, no, these are not, this is not your mustache. So you don't want to eat the mustache. You cannot eat the mustache. No, bad girl. This is Zoe's mustache. No. No, this is Zoe's mustache. Zoe, I have to have a mustache. There we go. Kind of backwards and crooked. Zoe.
Zoe.
Zoe. She's like, how do you like my hair? Zoe.
All right, let's